Okay, so the tag will be right here. I'm only going to use this small little part here, and what you want to do is you want to get some green. I'm going to use some of this green that I have here that I already mixed, and then some of my we get some more green. Now I normally mix a quick mix of I use my favorite mix, which is ultramarine and transparent yellow, and then I get this beautiful green. And if you want it a bit warmer, you just mix some more green, yellow in, and if you want it a bit cooler, you just mix some more of the ultramarine in until you get this perfect green. So how you start is, if you're not aware of watercolors, you just wet your brush in some water and activate your pigment like this. Dip it in on your plate, and then same with the blue. You just dip your brush in water, or you can spray it with some water. I just use my brush like this, and that's about the consistency that I want. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint in, I want a bit of a darkish brown color too, like that, for like the stem. So let's just do like a little stem like this, and some of my yellow, some green, and you don't need a straight line. Okay, gonna go in and we're just going to draw little long pine hairs. So you can go this way, that way, and if you want a little bit more of a darker green, you can just mix some of this in. And this is the one that I use with the glitter, the baubles. So there's a little bit of glitter in there as well. And you just go like this, pull from this side to there so that you don't make those hard lines there, but use a brush with a nice tip, or those little where the water might accumulate there. And just go different angles and pull out. You can pull whichever way is easier for you. Just make sure you don't have too much water on your brush. You can see it's not too watery. And go any which way you want, all different angles. Some of the green, just swap between all of these colors. I need some more water on here, and I want to activate this green again a bit more. So again, just this way. We had load shedding, so I'm waiting for a nice cup of coffee, which I'll go get now. Power just came on. And all different little angles. And then you can write on the back. So this is a quick, nice, easy tag. Make some long little branches as well. This is so fun and relaxing to paint, and anyone can do this. Watercolor for everyone. Christmas tags for everyone. And just look how beautiful that looks. More and more. And you can stop anytime, or you can go on as much as you think you're gonna need. And then I'm going to show you, I have a little tool. how I make these little holes for my tags, but you don't have to use it. So I think I'm not going to use it right now. I used it the last time in previous videos last year, and there you go. And if you want, you can just go in with a bit more of a darker color here and there. So just dab your brush, for instance, just dab your brush on the paper like this, just to have little different sections there, not a perfect line. And I went in there and you just go over that, no stresses. This is an easy little tag that you can use for your Christmas cards. So let's cut it out, and you can write a nice little note at the back. Pencil and scissor. And then that is a cute little tag that you can now use a little taggy there. I also want to use some of my gold again. So this is quite a pretty gold. Let's find a brush that has a very hard hair. So this is synthetic hairs, and I want to go in there and activate it again like that. And then we just go in with little gold lines as well, here and there. There you go. And if you look at this little plate, there's a little bit of that glitter green mix in as well, and I'm just gonna go in and paint it in as well. So that's a beautiful little glitter on the card. Okay, let me find a nice pen. These are the pens that I talk about. You can find them anywhere. And just go over that again. Okay, and then you can just do a dot there, 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 a dot, and carry on until you made a beautiful little Christmas card.